Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make muffins. Ingredients: 1 cup unsalted butter. I'm gonna melt that. 2 eggs at room temperature. Make sure it's room temperature. 3 bananas. Make sure they're also room temperature. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1 teaspoon baking powder. Half teaspoon ground cinnamon, because we don't like cinnamon that much. 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Half teaspoon salt. 3/4 granulated sugar. And half cups of all-purpose flour. Overripe bananas. Smash them like this. My butter is warming up like that. Melted butter and salted. All the wet ingredients are ready. I'm going to pour this into the dry ingredients. Make this gently, then add all the add-ins you want to add, like coconut, raisins. These are my add-ins. This is raisin and walnuts. Do that. Mix them, but not so much, just till they're well combined. Had to fill these muffin cups to the brim. Muffins should be big, right? Just look at how delicious they look, and I haven't even baked them. This one goes to the oven for 20 minutes overall. 5 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius, and then another 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And voila, our muffins are ready. And voila, we have our muffins. Look at that. This was extra. So, and my cupcake holder is small. It has 6 spaces, and the dough was for 12 muffins. Toothpick test. Twenty minutes later. Birthday boy in the video. Just look at this. Just all the goodness. I forgot to put the parchment paper, so this is the goodness. I forgot to cut the parchment paper, so this is the results. But it's not bad.
that.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.